Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can delete NVIDIA cache files. So first you want to just right click and then you want to go to show more options and click on NVIDIA control panel. Alright, once you're here, you want to just click on manage 3D settings and then you want to scroll down and you'll find the shader cache size. You want to click on this one and then you want to disable it. Alright, now you want to just apply. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to just click on Windows R and type in %local app data %. Click OK. Alright, once you're here, you want to scroll down to find NVIDIA, which is right here. And you want to go to GL cache and you want to delete all of this. Once you've deleted it, you can just go back and go to DX cache and delete all of this as well. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to just go to the Windows search bar, type in disk, cleanup, open it up, and then you want to just check on this one right here, which is the DirectX shader cache. You want to click OK and delete files. Alright, so once you've done all of that, you want to just right click again, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. And when you're here in your manage 3D settings, you want to scroll down again and then you want to turn on the shader cache size. You can just set it back to driver default and click apply and click apply, and now you're set. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.